Welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel, and today we're going to make gnocchi with a blue cheese, pear and walnut sauce. For this recipe you'll need a couple of conference pears, a packet of gnocchi, some blue cheese, I use Danish blue but any blue cheese will do, some walnuts, a handful and some milk. Peel and core your pears and cut into small slices. Chop a large handful of walnuts. Into a frying pan, add a knob of butter followed with a drizzling of olive oil. Turn on the heat to melt the butter and add your pear slices to the pan. Cook your pears over a gentle heat for about 10 minutes until they're soft. It will depend on the types of pears you've got, and add some salt and pepper for flavouring. When your pears have softened a little, add your blue cheese to the mix. I used about half a pack of the Danish blue that I had. Then pour in 100 to 150 millilitres of milk. Mix well together until all the cheese is melted into the milk. Meanwhile, bring a pan of water to the boil and add your gnocchi to this, as you can see me doing here. They don't take long to cook, about 4 or 5 minutes, but just keep an eye on it and follow the pack instructions. When your gnocchi is cooked, strain and add to the sauce, as you can see me doing here. Mix in gently so that the gnocchi is coated with the sauce. And then finally sprinkle in your chopped walnut. Stir the nuts into the mixture and it's ready to serve. Delicious it was too. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.